Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.